Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can send voice message on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Open WhatsApp and open the chat where you want to send voice message. On the lower side of your screen you can see a mic icon which is used to record voice messages. Tap on the mic icon and hold it to start recording your voice. You need to keep on holding while speaking so that your voice gets recorded. After you complete recording, simply release the holding and your voice message will be sent. I'll show you a sample now. As you can see, the voice message has been sent. In this way, you can send voice message on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.